In this video, I'm going to teach you how to move the bed in Hello Neighbor 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can move the bed that you can find in this room on the second floor. So, moving this bed allows you to access a hidden hole right below it. So, to move this bed, you don't have to push it with your body or try walking towards it. Even if you jump on it, nothing will happen. What you have to do is use these levers. So as you can see highlighted here, you just have to interact with these levers. The one that I recommend most people to use is this one because it's closer. I'm not sure if this one also works, but you can try if you want. When you walk towards this lever and you hover over it, you will be able to interact with it. So put your crosshair over the lever, press the interact button, and the bed is going to move forward on these rails here. So it is going to get off from the wall, and you will now have access to this hole. All that you have to do now is break these boards and you will be able to fall through. So in short, all that you have to do to move the bed in Hello Neighbor 2 is to interact with these levers. The lever to move the bed is going to be on the backboard of the bed sticking up. This one is going to work for sure, and you can try the one at the other side, but I cannot guarantee that this is going to work. And as long as you do this, you will be able to go on this little hole that is blocked up by planks underneath the bed. When you remove these planks, you can fall down and you will be able to access new areas. For this video, I'm not going to cover what is below the bed. I just wanted to showcase how you can actually move it. And if you press the lever again, it actually moves back into place. So if you want to press this button once more, it is going to drive back towards the wall. So just use the lever that you can see highlighted here, and immediately upon doing so, you can access the area behind it. I hope I was able to help you on how to move the bed in Hello Neighbor 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.